Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to scale horizontally with Mesh by Amazon. In reality, you can use it for Mesh by Amazon or any other print-on-demand platform. The first question you may have is, what is exactly scale horizontally? Scale horizontally is to test multiple niches using the same code template. Okay, this is a technique more for high tier level, like I would say above 100. But even if you just started at the tier 10, it is important that you know this technique so that when you reach the level 100 and above, you can use it. So stick with me and I will explain you. If I take, for example, this quote, surfing makes me happy, you not so much. We can see that this surfing here, which is a sport or a hobby, we can change it by any niches. So what you have to do now is to gather a list of sport or niches and then use this list to create your design. I have a few niches here, a few hobbies that I gather for you. And what we're gonna do together is to create a multiple design you're gonna see in like less than 5 minutes. In this list, as we can see, I have 141 different niches. So what we have to do, I have the list of hobbies, and then I have another file which is empty when I'm gonna enter the hobbies, okay? But before doing that, what I have to do, I'm gonna check the length of each hobbies. This is gonna be important because as you can see, each word here or sometimes auto detailing, for example, the number of characters available of each word here are different. So it is important to do together the niches or the name of hobbies that are almost the same, that have almost the same number of characters. So to do that, I'm gonna go to Excel and type in equal len and then select this one, and I'm gonna expand the formula. When this is done, I'm gonna filter and I'm gonna start from smallest to highest to largest, and I'm gonna sort from small to largest. So we can see that we have, for example, three character for this one, 4, and so on. Let's take, for example, the list of hobbies with 7 digits. As we can see, the list is a bit long, like 27 items. So I'm gonna copy it, okay, and paste it to my Excel sheet here. But the name is hobby.csv. You have to save it on the CSV format. So I'm gonna save it. And the tool we're gonna use to do that, to do our bug design, is called Mesh Informer. Okay, when you are a subscriber of Mesh Informer, you have, of course, all the research tool, but you also have a designer tool that you can use. So when you log into your designer, you select the product you want to design for, and here I have a template that I'm gonna modify to show you how to do it. So basically, this is the template. On the top here, you're gonna have your hobby, and then makes me happy, you not so much. Okay, so I will go here on the left on text. Okay, I'm gonna select a bold text. Okay, and let's take the first one here that we have airsoft. Okay, so I'm gonna write here airsoft. I'm gonna paste it here, airsoft. I'm gonna change the color to white. Okay, and I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select this hobby layer here. I'm gonna click on upload. I'm gonna select the hobbies. You can see here that we have 27 variant. Now what I'm gonna do is to click on this download, and the software will automatically create those 27 design for me. Let's check together the first one, airsoft. Let's see how it goes, geology. And then again, let's wait another one, just for the sake. The third one actually. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll come back to you when it's done. So it's almost done. 26 of 27. 27 of 27 now. Downloading. I click on it and I'm gonna save it. And I go my folder. I'm gonna enlarge it. I'm gonna unzip. And just like that, guys, here are my 27 design. Those designs, you can upload them directly to Amazon. They are already in the format of Amazon. You can, or any other platform. Okay. We are doing this technique because we want to check what niche is selling. Okay. And once the niche is selling, we can scale now vertically. But this is a topic for another video. Thank you for your time. If you find any value, please consider like and subscribe. Have a nice day.